Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMate. In this video, we are going to talk about WordPress 5.9 release, which just got released yesterday, 25th January 2022, and this is 26 today, so just few hours back. Alrighty, so you can see that this WordPress 5.9 is another huge upgrade for WordPress users. So the first thing it offers is basically full site editing, more like site builders. Yeah, 2022 theme is going to be shipped with this release. So if you upgrade your WordPress from any previous WordPress releases, you will also get this 2022 theme installed with this upgrade, which is basically block based theme. Okay, so you'll have both features, Gutenberg and block editing, which is only available with this particular theme. If you are using any other theme, that's totally a different story, but this gets installed with this upgrade. Okay, so you also get this personal paint box. So we will have a look at this little bit of styling and typography block feature, uh, navigation and justification, orientation, and all that. So this is good for basically mobile optimization, which is really good. So I don't think any major CMS is doing this. So uh yeah, these are the Gutenberg block features. You get the patterns thing. So what I'm going to do, I'll quickly go ahead. Okay, so revamped list view. So I'm quickly going to install WordPress 5.9 on my local system, and we will quickly have a look. These are all the contributors, and at the same time they have also started working on WordPress 6. So anyways, you can yourself have a look. So what I'm going to do, I already have this my Apache MySQL running, PHP 7 point something, but this WordPress 5.9 is compatible with PHP 8. So I'm going to install it. First of all, let's see. So if I go to localhost, yeah, my server is running, so I'll go ahead and get into my PHP my admin. So when you install XAMPP, you already get this PHP installed and configured. In the meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll download WordPress 5.9 into this htdocs folder. So go to wherever your this package is, XAMPP, MAMP, WAMP, whatever you use, get into that folder and the root folder, which is basically htdocs if you're using XAMPP, and then I'm going to use cmd and curl to download this package, basically WordPress. Curl, if you're not using curl or wget, you can simply go ahead and manually download it. .org/latest.zip, and this is going to be basically WordPress. Should I say W59? So that's going to be the folder output net, and so that's basically curl. Could not resolve the site. Um, maybe I should put it like this. So it's going to download quickly, and Then we will have a look. In the meanwhile, what I will do, I'll create a database. So go to localhost / phpMyAdmin, create a database WP59. That's going to be database name for this installation. And if you have a look, I think we already have installed it. Sorry, downloaded it. So it's is it? Oh, here you can see. So htdocs, because it's a zip, I need to extract it. So it should be right there in the same directory. Here, see. So what I will do, guys, it's very simple. So you'll have to download it the way you want to and then extract it. So there's the latest folder. I can go ahead and remove these and rename this particular folder. I'm going to say WP59. Here it is. Simply go ahead and download it. You can go to WordPress.org like that. Get WordPress, download it, and unzip it and put this in the htdocs folder. Rename the folder name, and you're good to go. Since I already have created the database, which is WP59, I'll go ahead and pull up that folder name which we just renamed from WordPress to WP59. So whatever the folder name is, you'll have to say localhost / the folder name. And then I can go ahead and close this one as well. Okay, so it just, fired up the installation and setup script here. Go ahead and select your language, and it's going to ask for database name, username, password, and host prefix. So in my case, the database name is WP59. User with XMPP get root. There is no password. Localhost is the database host. You can change it. I think that's okay because it's not multi-site. Okay, so if you're installing multi-site WordPress, you definitely want to change the prefix. Run the installation script. Step 2, and we are done. See, so fast. So WP5, did I say 5.9? Admin, my password is going to be admin, username is going to be admin. Admin, just for sake of simplicity, this is email. It's very simple. Your site name, username, password, make sure it's strong enough. Also, you do not want to go with the admin username. This is my local installation, so I keep it very simple. If you are in the production, you can uncheck this box, install WordPress. As soon as you hit it, it's going to run the script and update everything for you. So because I'm using Google Chrome, I keep getting these pop-ups. Okay, I just need to change the password and hit enter, and it's going to get me into WP admin dashboard. So here we have 5.9, WordPress 5.9, and you can again have a look at all the features you can learn about WordPress 5.9. So this will be locally on your system, on your installation. full site editing 2022 theme. So we are quickly going to have a look at everything in a different style, basically. So if I go to appearance, editor beta, so we will have a look at that. So it by default installs these themes and activate this 2022. So if I go ahead and view this site, and this is how it looks. It's more or less the 2020 theme with this editor beta feature, I guess.